everyone, welcome to PTE Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series, and this is 55th video in this series. It means that we have covered 54 highly repetitive and real exam PTE questions जो students को exam में आ चुके हैं. We have discussed the tricks, tips and hacks how to solve them. So let's get started with today's Reading Filling the Blank. First things first, now PTE is accepted in UK. So if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can do it through PTE, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PTE academic. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now the question students ask is how we can also achieve our target score. The answer is quite simple. If you follow our strategies, tips, tricks which we teach in our lectures and in this video series, you can easily achieve your target score. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. First of all, PTE Reading is an integrated module of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks and it has 5 question types. These are the question types, and for reading filling the blanks, this is the second last question type in this order. And always remember, this is the real PTE scoring where reading contributes only 47 marks. So reading filling the blanks contribute 15 marks. So if you are getting 5 reading filling the blanks, they will be of 3 marks each. Okay, what is our strategy? Our strategy is that first of all, we have to spend 2 to 2.5 minutes only on solving one reading filling the blank. Okay, you cannot spend more than this time. And in that time, can you read all the words? The answer is no. You cannot read all the words. It's not possible. So what you need to do, you need to do the skimming. And skimming is an important technique which we teach to our students both online as well as offline. And this is today's topic. And as usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this and then we are going to discuss it. So London's National Portrait Gallery is currently celebrating 50 years something of photographer Sandra Lucida. The 21 portraits on something depict key something in literature, film and fashion from the early 60s or 1960s, something to the acquisition of 40 portraits by Lucida. The display at the National Portrait Gallery highlights shots taken between 1960 and 64. Many of which something in public places, private places, formal commission portraits are shown alongside behind the scenes something, taken on film something, and unguarded portraits of sitters captured at home. Okay, तो किसी person के बारे में बात हो रही है, right? सैंड्रा ल्यूसाइडा, उसकी 50 ईयर क्या हो रही है, एनिवर्सरी जैसे होती है, right? उसने कौन सी पिक्चर्स क्लिक की हैं, उसके बारे में डिटेल है. So once we have skimmed it, now the second thing which we do is for applying our parts of speech to the options, okay? Because it's very important and then we can solve things fairly easily, okay? So sets क्या हैं? Noun है, noun and plural. Elements भी हमारा noun है, plural है. Status, किसी चीज का status. Again it can be so noun because this is social status. Career, career is again your noun. Figures, important figures, noun plural. Photographs, noun plural. Feature films or feature in something, verb or it can be adjective. Display, किसी चीज को display करना, verb. Explosion, कोई चीज explosion होना, noun, right? Great, great आप एक तरह से adjective, great person, okay? Aspect, noun हो सकता है. Subsequent, आपका ये sign posting word है. So now once you have done parts of speech classification, अब एक चीज जहां पे मैंने यहाँ पे स्टार पुट किया है वो क्यों पुट किया है, बिकॉज नंबर्स जब भी होते हैं आपको हाइफन्स के साथ लिखने होते हैं व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग डाउन 50 ईयर। अब यहाँ पे देखिए 50 ईयर इट्स एक्टिंग एज एन एडजेक्टिव, ओके, ऑफ अ सिंगल। यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, फिर नाउन आएगा। दिस इज आवर ग्रामर रूल। और अगर दो वर्ड्स एक्टिंग एज अ सिंगल adjective for a noun, it's used with a hyphen. And numbers over here where I have put another star, जैसे 21 है, numbers are always used with hyphens, okay? So अब यहाँ पे 50 year क्या होगा, 50 साल जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, anniversary something, पर फोटोग्राफर की 50 साल क्या होगा, the answer is career, okay? And it's a noun also. What you can do is using process of elimination, right? We eliminate the wrong options. तो हम यहाँ पे subsequent, great, display, feature ये सब words remove कर सकते हैं और 50 year क्या होगी, it's simple सी बात है, career ही होगा. So that's why we are going to fill the answer as career over here, okay? अब the 21 portraits on something depict key something in literature, film and fashion from the early 60s. ऑन क्या होगा, एक सिंपल सी बात है, ऑन आपकी एक preposition है, ऑन के साथ जनरली हम क्या यूज करते हैं, दिस इज अ फ्रेज ऑल्सो, ऑन डिस्प्ले, राइट? सो द आंसर फॉर दिस इज गोइंग टू बी डिस्प्ले, ओके, बिकॉज अब जो आपकी गैलरी है, गैलरी में क्या होती हैं, चीजें डिस्प्ले होती हैं, राइट? एग्जीबिशंस जैसे डिस्प्ले की जाती हैं. की समथिंग इन लिटरेचर, फिल्म एंड फैशन फ्रॉम द अर्ली 60s. अब लिटरेचर, फिल्म और फैशन में अर्ली 60s में क्या होंगे जिनके आप पोर्ट्रेट्स लोगे. पोर्ट्रेट्स किसके लेते हैं हम, लोगों के लेते हैं. एंड विच इज द सिनोनिम फॉर दैट, फिगर्स. सिर्फ एक ही वर्ड है जो यहाँ पे आपका लोग, पीपल को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है, एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है, विच इज फिगर्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टू पुट फिगर्स ओवर हियर. अब अनदर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ग्रामर रूल, समझ आए ना आए, कॉमा लगा हुआ है. कॉमा के इमीडिएटली बाद क्या यूज होता है, जनरली आपका एक साइन पोस्टिंग वर्ड यूज होता है. दिस इज अ ग्रामर हैक विच वी टीच टू आवर स्टूडेंट्स. सो अब आपका यहाँ पे कौन सा साइन पोस्टिंग वर्ड है, सिर्फ एक ही है, सब्सिक्वेंट. सो बिना सोचे समझे यू आर क्विकली गोइंग टू fill it over there, okay? So subsequent to the acquisition. All right. अब क्या ये सारे वर्ड्स पढ़ने की जरूरत है, द आंसर इज नो. व्हाट वी डू इज वी रीड 4-5 वर्ड्स बिफोर द ब्लैंक एंड 4-5 वर्ड्स आफ्टर द ब्लैंक, ओके? Many of which something in Lusada's book Public Faces Private Places 2008. अब जो आपकी फोटोग्राफ्स हैं, ठीक है, जो पोर्ट्रेट्स हैं, वो कहाँ होंगे, बुक में क्या होते हैं, बुक में क्या होते हैं, फीचर होते हैं, राइट? बुक, many of which feature in Lusada's book, okay? So the answer is going to be feature. Now, formal commission portraits are shown alongside behind the scenes something taken on films dash. अब behind the scenes क्या होंगे, behind the scenes फोटोग्राफ्स होंगी, पोर्ट्रेट्स हैं ये, राइट? बिहाइंड द सीन फोटोग्राफ्स, राइट? पोर्ट्रेट है, पोर्ट्रेट किस चीज की होंगे, फोटोग्राफी होगी, लोगों की होंगी, उसमें अब कैसे रिप्रेजेंट हो रहा है ये, फोटोग्राफ्स के थ्रू. फिल्म्स के क्या होते हैं, फिल्म्स के हमेशा क्या होते हैं, हमारे सेट्स, राइट? इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ कॉलोकेशन ऑल्सो, फिल्म सेट, राइट? फिल्म सेट्स, ओके? So now let's see if all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. You see, if you know the right strategies, you can easily solve filling the blanks without making any mistake. And what is our strategy? Our strategy is based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, we do the skimming, forward reading, backward reading, and tone analysis. For lexical resource, we have collocations you have seen today. Film sets was an important collocation जिसके basis पे blank solve हुआ. Phrasal verbs, vocabulary, all these are important. And for grammar, we have a complete grammar course which we teach to our students. In grammar, we do parts of speech. You have seen its importance today. Subject verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules and sentences. All this we teach to our students as a part of our grammar course. And remember, you have 2 to 2.5 minutes only to solve your reading filling the blanks. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content. You have to do the parts of speech classification. In next 90 to 120 seconds, apply process of elimination. Use our strategies to solve your answers. You have seen how we applied process of elimination today. Okay, all the strategies which we teach are proven and validated strategies. What is the proof? The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82 and 81. So if they can achieve their target scores, you can also. This is our WhatsApp number. If you have any question or doubt, do not forget to contact us on 8699 If you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, you can contact us. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.